Alright everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to dive into a super handy trick for Mac users, window tiling. I'll show you a couple of easy ways to organize your windows like a pro. This is based on my personal experience, so let's get started. First, let's talk about dragging. Open up the window you want to tile. Now, grab the window and drag it to the left side of your screen. See that preview? When you release, it'll snap right into place. To remove it, just drag the window away and it'll go back to its original size. You can also tile windows into quarters. Just drag the window to any corner of your screen. Boom! A perfectly sized quarter tile. Want full screen? Drag the window to the top of the screen. It'll expand to fill the entire display. Again, just drag it down to revert. Okay, method number 2 uses the green tile button. Hover your mouse over that little green circle at the top left of your window. This opens a tile menu. The first section is Move and Resize. Selecting any of these options will just move that window to the selected tile, without affecting the others. The second section is Fill and Arrange. This is where things get interesting. It moves your current window to a tile and rearranges other open windows to fill the available space. For example, if you choose the left tile option, your current window moves to the left, and other windows will automatically fill the right side. Pretty neat, huh? And if you have two windows tiled side by side, you can adjust the size of each tile. Just hover your mouse over the divider between them and drag that little notch to resize them simultaneously. Finally, the third section is Full Screen. Here you'll see options to put the window in full screen, or tile it to the left or right side of the screen in a new desktop. You can then swipe between desktops. And that's it. 2 easy ways to master window tiling on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks. You'll find useful links in the description below. Thanks for watching.